Imagine a machine so powerful it can carry over 120 kilos of equipment, so stable it can descend a 60-degree gravel slope, and so fast it can chase down a marathon runner. This isn't science fiction. China has just unveiled the Unitree B2-W, a massive, rideable, four-legged AI robot that isn't just walking into the future, it's rolling there. While the world was watching basic humanoid prototypes, Unitree quietly launched a beast that combines the flexibility of a dog with the speed of a high-end electric scooter. And yes, it is officially rideable. The secret sauce of the B2W is its revolutionary wheel-foot design, a masterclass in hybrid engineering that eliminates the compromise between speed and flexibility. Unlike traditional quadrupeds that only walk, the B2W features four high-reliability, shock-absorbing tires integrated directly into its limbs, allowing it to switch locomotion modes in milliseconds. On flat pavement, it locks its joints and rolls at a staggering 20 kilometers per h, 12.4 miles per hour, effectively functioning like a high-speed vehicle with significantly reduced energy consumption. When it encounters a staircase or a pile of rubble, the wheel leg system instantly transitions back to a trot or climb gait, utilizing its 360 Nm high torque joints to scale complex terrain. This dual-purpose design provides the long-range efficiency of wheels, offering up to a 25 kilometers range while carrying a heavy load, while maintaining the terrain-clearing benefits of standard legs. It can even step over obstacles up to 40 centimeters high and maintain perfect balance on 45-degree slopes, making it a true all-terrain monster that never gets stuck. By utilizing this hybrid approach, the B2W ensures it can roll through industrial corridors and hike through mountain trails without missing a beat. The B2W is a heavy lifter that redefines what we expect from a quadruped, boasting a massive standing payload capacity of 120 kilograms, 264 pounds. This high load limit means a full-grown adult can sit comfortably on its back while the robot navigates complex paths, turning the concept of a robotic steed into a reality. During recent Talent Awakening demonstrations, the B2W proved its incredible stability by fording rivers, climbing through waterfalls, and even performing bipedal handstands while carrying weight. To support these feats, it is equipped with a high-capacity battery of over 2 kWh, providing an impressive endurance of up to 5 hours on a single charge. Even when tasked with carrying a continuous 40 kilograms load, it maintains a range of 25 kilometers, ensuring it can handle long-distance transport without running out of juice. Its depth perception sensors allow it to adjust its balance in real time, meaning the ride remains smooth, even when the terrain is anything. Whether it's traversing industrial zones or carrying hikers up steep trails, this machine acts as a tireless biological surrogate. Effectively, the B2W is a modern-day mechanical horse that requires no rest and can withstand environmental extremes that would stop a living animal in its tracks. With its IP67 rating, it can even submerge its legs in water while carrying its rider, proving it is built for the harshest conditions on Earth. This isn't a remote-controlled toy, it is a sophisticated autonomous agent, powered by a dual computing powerhouse. The B2W is equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor for high-level logic and an NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX module that handles the intense real-time AI processing required for vision and movement. Using a combination of 3D LiDAR and high-definition depth cameras, the robot can see and map its surroundings with millisecond precision, creating a digital twin of the environment as it moves. Thanks to this advanced AI, the B2W can independently plan routes through cluttered spaces without any human intervention. If you are riding it, you don't need to steer with a joystick. You simply provide a destination, and its perception locomotion integration autonomously decides whether to roll, jump, or crawl over obstacles to get you there safely. Beyond individual intelligence, these machines are built for swarm intelligence, allowing a pack of robots to communicate and coordinate their movements via a private 5G network. In this leader-follower mode, one robot can act as the scout, sharing environmental data and terrain hazards with the rest of the pack instantly. This collective brain ensures that if one robot identifies a shortcut or a potential threat, every other unit in the swarm is updated in real time. Whether used for synchronized search and rescue or large-scale industrial logistics, the B2W represents a massive leap in collaborative robotics. This level of autonomy makes it one of the most reliable partners for high-stakes missions where human communication might be limited. China is positioning the B2W for much more than just a tech demonstration. It is already being deployed as a practical solution to some of the world's most grueling labor challenges. These robots are currently operating in high stakes environments like Singapore's power tunnels, where they perform autonomous inspections that would be hazardous for human engineers. Perhaps the most striking example of their utility is at Mount Tai, where a fleet of these mechanical dogs is being used to automate waste management by hauling nearly 40 kilograms of trash down thousands of steep, slippery steps. With an IP67 rating, the B2W is completely dustproof and waterproof, allowing it to navigate through mud, puddles, and heavy rain without the risk of electrical failure. It is built to be a global workhorse, engineered to survive extreme thermal environments ranging from a freezing -20 degrees Celsius to a blistering 55 degrees Celsius. This resilience makes it an ideal candidate for search and rescue operations in disaster zones where traditional vehicles simply cannot penetrate. Beyond heavy labor, the B2W is making waves in the commercial sector as a tool for robotic tourism and advanced security patrolling for large-scale infrastructure. Its ability to operate autonomously for hours on end means that industries can maintain 24/7 surveillance and logistics with minimal human oversight. This deployment marks a shift from experimental robotics to a new era of robotics as a service, where AI-driven machines become a standard part of the global workforce. By proving its worth on the world stage, the B2W is setting a new benchmark for how heavy-duty AI can solve real-world logistical bottlenecks. It isn't just a prototype anymore. It is a battle-tested industrial asset that is changing how we interact with the physical world. While we currently see the B2W as a tool for power plant inspections or waste removal at Mount Tai, we are rapidly approaching a personal mobility revolution. Imagine a world where the elderly or those with mobility challenges can call a robotic mount instead of a taxi. Because the B2W is a leg wheel hybrid, it can roll to your front door on its tires and then walk right into your living room to pick you up. This level of versatility is something a traditional wheelchair or scooter simply cannot achieve. We are looking at a future where these robots become the ultimate last-mile transport solution, navigating crowded city sidewalks and steep apartment stairs with equal ease. Furthermore, the integration of generative AI means these robots will eventually understand natural language commands with nuance. You won't need an app to control your ride. You'll simply tell it, "Follow me to the park, but stay on the grass," and the B2W's onboard LLM will translate that into complex motor commands. As battery technology improves and the weight of these machines decreases, the dream of a rideable companion that can run for an entire day becomes a reality. China's massive investment in these platforms suggests they aren't just building robots, they are building the next generation of transport. We are witnessing the birth of a new category of vehicle, the autonomous, rideable, bio-inspired assistant. The Unitree B2-W is a game changer. It's faster than a walking robot and more versatile than a wheeled car. It is the first real evidence that the era of rideable AI companions has arrived. China isn't just catching up to Western robotics. With the B2W, they might have just taken the lead. What do you think? Would you trust a wheel-leg robot to carry you through a city? Or are we moving a little too fast into a Black Mirror episode? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most advanced rideable AI, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button to help the algorithm find more tech enthusiasts like you. Share this video with someone who still thinks robot dogs are just toys. And most importantly, subscribe and hit the bell icon.